Hello, welcome to Vlogmas. I'm really gonna do this. 25 videos in 25 days. Yeah, it's a challenge. I love a challenge. I love a deadline. Let's see how we do it. Okay, some of these videos are going to be pre-recorded ahead of time. I'm also going to do some lives and some vlogs the day of, so we'll just see how it goes. I have a little schedule of what I'm going to do on different days because I'm a planner and a scheduler, and that's just the way I work. So this is how it's going to work. This is what the schedule is. On Sundays, I'm going to be planning out my week. I'll have already decorated my spread, and I'm going to go through and actually plan out what's going to go on that week, and you guys can follow along with me. Tomorrow I'm going to be planning out Christmas, so that'll be fun and maybe a little overwhelming, but we'll see how it goes. Also, each Sunday I'm going to review my process of my Christmas preparations and then adjust accordingly if I have to adjust, and then keep planning on Christmas so that I can enjoy it once it gets here. I'm most excited about Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays because I am taking you through planning your 2019. Every day I'm going to give you a small quick tip and then one action step that you can take to move yourself forward towards 2019 so that 2019 can be your best year yet. I'm going to create a playlist, not only for Vlogmas, I'm going to have a Vlogmas playlist, but I'm also going to have a playlist for these planned 2019 videos. So I'll link it up here, but it'll always be there. If I forget to link it, you'll know where to look for it. There's 10 videos in total, and they'll be in there. So you can go and plan your 2019 if you miss a day. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know when these videos come up because they're going to be really good. I'm also going to be sharing how I've accomplish that task for the day, so you'll have some inspiration there as well. Thursdays I'm going to try to go live. I've never gone live on YouTube before. I used to go live all the time on Periscope. It was so much fun, but since Periscope kind of went away, I haven't done live videos, so we're going to do that. And what I'll do, I'll take you on a flip through of a finished project, so that'll be some inspiration and fun. Saturdays are going to be plan with me videos where I will decorate my spread for the coming week, and then the Sunday I will add in the plans. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, like this, and let's do it, right? Let's have fun. Let's have a fantastic December and enjoy the Christmas season. All right, have a fantastic day and happy planning.